Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6 and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and let's find the toggle somewhere in here, either on this page or the other. So for me, the Do Not Disturb mode is located right over here, and before you actually enable it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it works. So below here in the exceptions, you have the, you have the allow messages from and allow calls from, so two of the probably more useful options. So you can set who can call you while the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So you have anyone, which kind of defeats the purpose of this. Contacts only, stirred contacts only, which the stirred contacts means just favorite. And then deny all. And messages has the same options as calls. Then you have also at the bottom repeat ring for repeated callers, and with this enabled, no matter what is said in here, so you could be denying all, but if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to reach you as though the Do Not Disturb mode is not even enabled. So it's a really good option to have for in the case of like emergencies. People usually spam call you till you pick up. So they probably gonna call more than twice within a 3-minute period. So the second time around you'll actually be then able to see it. And then you also have allow notifications, which is just notifications, nothing special there. And then the other handy feature in here is the schedule. So when you go in here, there is one pre-made called sleep, and basically it's enabled daily from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. If you check that on. So there we go. So now it will be turning on at night and turning back off during the day. But you can tap on the plus and name it whatever you want. And then you have start time, so you could, for instance, create a work one. Let's go from 9 to, for instance, 5. Let's get the keyboard down and then repeat. So work Monday through Friday, and you're basically all set. Tap on done. Cool. Can you begun? There we go. So now it automatically turns on, as you can see, because it's in the time range of, well, right now being enabled. It's 9 to 5. So yeah. And with this being set as it is right now, you won't actually have to do much. It will turn on its own every single day, Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. And you can still disable it if you want to by just tapping it here, or enabling it manually by also tapping on that toggle and making it blue. Now keep in mind that if you enable it manually, as I did right now, you'll also have to toggle it off. So yeah, but that is how you would enable this and also disable. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.